Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rashid, and in this tutorial I will brief you that how you can make the running sum formula, that how you can make running sum in MS Excel 2013. Running sum mean it will calculate the previous value and the next value, and it will giving you the running sum. Like here you can see. First of all, I will brief you about the data, that what kind of data on which we are working. So here you can see the dates, name, collection, and running sum. So let me put that formula here is equal to sum, and then I will select D6, then D6, and I will close the parentheses and enter. So then I will freeze that row and put enter. I will copy and paste it formula, copy, paste. Okay, so running sum mean on E6 it giving us that the total balance is 120. Okay, and in the next cell it is calculating 120 and 140, and it become 260. Then in that cell it is calculating the 160 and 260, and it's become 420. So this is the basic function of running sum formula. So this is all for this tutorial, and inshallah in the next tutorial we will learn about adding numbers in MS Excel. So the next thing which you have to do, that is subscribe my channel and give me the feedback. Thank you so much.